What's happening, everybody? I'm Damien Ryberg, coming from Leland, North Carolina. Found out about this company coincidentally, just trying to find out about some equipment, and ran into Rick, my salesperson, and that was probably the greatest thing that could have possibly happened for my business and myself personally. The team that you're going to walk into here is just incredible. From the sales staff going down to instructors of the class, Chrissy and Dustin, they're incredible. Everyone you're going to encounter here is incredible. They're in your corner to help you succeed, and they got all the tools at the ready for you, and there's no excuse why you can't hit the top of your echelon in your company, in your business, in your market. So stop thinking about it, just get in here, get it done, and watch, just watch everything come, and it's just going to be incredible. I know it, and this is only after 3 days, and I only had 2 things that I can offer, to my customers. Epoxy, you can either do metallic or solids with flakes. That's all I thought I knew, and came into here and I got smacked with some reality. And now, after 3 days, only 3 days, I'm confident enough to say to my customers, hey, I've got a whole bunch more to offer you. And now the amount of revenue for myself, my family, my company, it's going to be exponentially more than what it was for this past year. So I'm excited, and I can't wait to see what this company's going to bring for myself and what I can bring to the company. So thank you, and can't wait.